Hello and welcome to your lesson today. So today we're looking at the 2007 Math Paper 1. This is still SimSec paper, advanced level question. So this is here we need to solve for x as given here. But here we'll see we have two indices here, so which makes it a little bit challenging to solve for this. But we need to simplify this into some form that we can solve. So here we'll start with part 1, which is just solving for x. So we can say let y be equal to 2x. So if we do that, that means we have 2x minus 2 minus x equals to 4, which we can rewrite as 2x minus 1 over 2x, which is equals to 4. One side note here is the laws of indices. We know that when we have x to the power negative a, this is similar to x to the power 1 over x to the power a. So that's what we did here. But since we said y equals to 2x, so we can rewrite this as y minus 1 over y equals to 4, which we can simplify by making a denominator of y here. So this becomes y squared minus 1 equals to 4y, which we can then rewrite as y squared minus 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. But here we know the quadratic equation here. We know that y here is going to be minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's continue. So we have y equals to negative b plus or minus square root of 4b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, in this case, our equation is equal to y squared minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. That means a equals to 1, b equals to negative 4, and c equals to negative 1. So we can substitute this into negative 4 plus or minus negative 4 squared minus 4 1 negative 1 all over 2 1. So this becomes 4 plus or minus negative 4 squared. This becomes 16 plus 4 over 2, which we can rewrite as 4 plus or minus 20 by 2, which we can rewrite now as 4 plus or minus square root of, we know that 20 is 4 times 5 over 2, which we can then rewrite as 4 plus or minus 2 root 5 all over 2. Then once we do that, let's go to the next space. So here we have y equals to 4 plus or minus 2 root 5 over 2 over 2, which we can write as 2 plus or minus square root of 5. But we do know that 2x is to be greater than 0. So we know that our y here is equals to 2 plus square root of 5. Now once we do that, we know that y is equals to 2x, which is equals to y. Now therefore, what we can do now is to say 2 plus root 5 equals to 2x. Right? We can introduce ln here on both sides. So to the x equals to ln 2 plus root 5. Now, using the laws of logarithms, it becomes ln 2 equals to ln 2 plus root 5. Therefore, x is equal to ln 2 plus root 5 over ln 2. There we go. That's our solution. But we know that the second part here is asking for 2x plus 2 negative x is equals to, it wants us to show that this is equal to, let's go back to is equal to 2 root 5. So let's focus here on the left hand side for now. Right. So we know that this is 2x plus 1 over 2x. Right. That's what we have here. What we can do now is we have 2x plus 1 over 2x, which we know the value of 2x. We know that 2x is equal to 2 plus root 5. Right? So what we have here, we have 2 plus root 5. So right now, let's forget about the modulus part. So this is the first one, then which is 2x, and now on the other side, which is 1 over 2 to the power x, is going to be 1 over 2 plus root 5. But we can do something about this. So we can multiply this by, we want to multiply this by negative 2 plus root 5 negative 2 plus root 5. What we end up having is then 1 over 2 at power x is equals to, so it's negative 2 plus root 5 here, and the denominator here is negative 4 plus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 5, which gives us negative 2 plus root 5 of this will cancel, and this becomes negative 4 plus 5, which is equals to 1. So we go back to our main expression, which is 2 to the x plus 1 over 2x. Now we can write this as 2 plus root 5 plus negative 2 plus root 5. Right. As we can see here, this 2 minus 2 cancels, so now we have 2 root 5. So we have shown quite easily done. So here, let's just recap what we did here. Now we just use the values that we got in the previous solution, which was here where we show that 2x, which is equal to y, is just 2 plus root 5. So we implemented that here as well. Alright, so that was our question for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Put questions in the comment section, but don't forget to like, subscribe on this channel for more A-level questions. Thank you.